Hello everyone and welcome on Today News. The Arunachal Christian Forum, ACF, has announced a series of agitations to oppose the state government's move to implement the Arunachal Pradesh Freedom of Religion Act, APFRA, 1978. The organization is demanding the repeal of the act, which has remained dormant since its enactment. As part of the first phase of its protest, the ACF will hold a statewide week-long fasting and prayer event starting from February 10. This will be followed by a hunger strike in the Itanagar capital region on 17 February, with participation from Christian believers across various denominations. In a stronger demonstration of dissent, the ACF has warned that if the government fails to respond to their demands, they will stage a gherav of the State Assembly on March 6 during the upcoming Assembly session. The forum is also reaching out to elected representatives, urging them to raise the issue on the Assembly floor. The ACF's agitation follows Chief Minister Pema Khandu's statement in December 2024, where he announced that the rules for the APFRA, 1978, would soon be framed and enforced. This development came after a directive from the Guwahati High Court's Itanagar bench in September 2024, which ordered the state government to finalize the draft rules within 6 months while disposing of a public interest litigation filed by Advocate Tambo Thamin. Speaking at the Arunachal Press Club on Wednesday, ACF President Tara Miri criticized the government's lack of response to their concerns. He revealed that the forum had met with Chief Secretary Dharmendra in November 2024 and submitted a letter to Chief Minister Pema Khandu, outlining their apprehensions regarding the act. The CM had directed them to meet with his advisor, Alo Libang, who later submitted a report to the Chief Minister. However, according to Miri, the government has yet to take any action on the matter. Describing the move to implement the APFRA as a violation of secular principles, Miri emphasized that the ACF will continue its fight against the act. The Arunachal Pradesh Freedom of Religion Act, APFRA, was passed by the Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly in 1978 under the Janata Party government led by then Chief Minister P.K. Thungo and received presidential assent on 25 October 1978. The Act aims to prohibit religious conversions through force, inducement, or fraudulent means. It was reportedly enacted to address concerns about the perceived threat to indigenous religious practices in the state. However, successive governments have largely overlooked its implementation until now. With tensions rising over the issue, the coming weeks are expected to witness heightened protests and political debates surrounding the Act's enforcement in Arunachal Pradesh. This is the end of this news and stay tuned with us for more updates and also do follow our channel AI Arunachal News. Thank you everyone.